Hi there. So we are going to learn the collagen subtypes and its associated pathology with mnemonics together. We're going to memorize it. So this is the chart we have to memorize every content out of this chart because there are lots of high questions coming out of this chart. So first of all, we can see the collagen subtypes. There are four subtypes are given: type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 collagen. So let's focus on to the type 1 collagen. For type 1 collagen, let's use the mnemonic called BAD as TLC. For B for bone, B for blood vessels, S for skin, S for scars. So you see for scars, there's type 1 collagen. T for tendon, L for ligament, C for cornea. So remember, for scar tissue, any type of scar tissue over the body, the type 1 collagen predominate. For type 2, I have used that name Kevin from Up. Remember him? Yeah, he is one of my favorite characters. So by Kevin, I try to remember every content of type 2 collagen: CA for cartilage, VI for vitreous humor, and N for nucleus pulposus. Now move to the type 3 collagen. So for type 3 collagen, I use that word big LLBs. So B for bone marrow, B for blood vessels, I for intestine, and G for granulation tissue. This is very high yield. L for lung, L for lymphatives, and B for, again, you can say bone marrow or blood vessels. S for, you can say skin. So you can move to the type 4 collagen. For type 4 collagen, there is only one content, and this is called basement membrane. Now, let's focus into memorizing the associated pathology. You can use that word called osea, O-S-E-A. For type 1, I took the O for osteogenesis imperfecta. For type 2, skeletal dysplasia, that's why I took the S. And for E, it goes by ehlers-danlos, and for A, it goes by alport syndrome. Now, listen very carefully. Type 1 and type 3 both participate in formations of skin and blood vessels. And for type 3, in granulation tissue, type 3 collagen predominate. In scar, type 1 collagen predominate. So don't forget all of it. All of this point is very high yield.